IAF readies for Pitch Black Tour, war games with Indonesia and Malaysia. The Indian Air Force, IAF, is priming its jets for simulated war games in Australia, Indonesia and Malaysia. In exercises spreading over more than a month that will see at least 4 Su-30 MKI fighters, a C-130J Special Operations aircraft and a support C-17 transporter carry out military maneuvers. In Australia, the IAF will participate, for the first time. Indian Army conducts surgical strikes against Naga terrorists. The army marched through the Nagaland-Myanmar border at around Wednesday noon and tried to blow off the camps of NSCN-K, according to the insurgent group's statement. The exchange of firing lasted for around half an hour, it said. The army neither accepted nor refuted the charges. The Eastern Command maintained a studied silence. The 3rd Corps or Spear Corps of Indian Army, stationed in Dimapur and looks after the area, refused to comment. Defense Ministry spokesperson S.S. Bedi said, "I have not." China's new Dark Sword fighter jet launched. The Chinese are having a difficult time developing a jet engine that can maintain the sustained burn of jet fighters. Reports indicate that the trouble started in 2015 when the original engine exploded. As a result, China's most advanced fighter still uses the engine used in China's older fighters, such as the J-10 and J-11, which entered service almost 20 years ago. This produces many problems for the J-20 and will likely cause these unmanned jets to burn incredible amounts of fuel to reach hypersonic speeds, while limiting their top speed and payload. These only limit the utility and/or enhance the cost.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if